By this prayer, we pray to God, oh my Lord, oh my God, may all we be protected, all be nourished, work together and with great energy. May our studies be enlightening. May we don't have hatred. And God, please lead us from ignorance to truth, from darkness to light, and from death to immortality. Om, peace within, peace with each other, and with the whole universe. धन्यवाद. सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है यहाँ पर. अपना कार्यक्रम योगा का प्रारंभ करते हैं भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम से, क्योंकि जब भी हम, एक्सक्यूज मी, कुछ कहना चाह रहा था कोई? भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम से शुरू करेंगे. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम से इसलिए शुरू करते हैं कि अंदर से जितना भी आपका म्यूकस है वो बाहर निकल जाए, आपके नोज के रास्ते से पूरा का पूरा बाहर निकले, और उसको साफ करने के लिए आपके पास टिश्यू पेपर है ही. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. और इसमें ओम करना है मन में, और या ऐसे करिए, गहरी लंबी सांस लीजिए और गहरी लंबी छोड़िए. 7 बार ये करेंगे, फिर ओम करेंगे और हाथ ऊंचे करेंगे, और उसके बाद ओम की व्याहृतियां जो है वो प्रभु के व्याहृतियां जो है वो करेंगे, तो हाथ नीचे करेंगे और उसमें सांस छोड़ेंगे. सांस लेना, सांस छोड़ना, गहरी लंबी लेनी है, गहरी लंबी छोड़नी है. तो शुरू करते हैं. रिलैक्स. अब मैं ओम की ध्वनि आपके साथ करूंगी और आप हाथ ऊपर करेंगे. प्रेशर से सांस गहरी लंबी सांस लेनी है. डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड डीप ब्रेथ आउट. ओम भू, ओम भुव, ओम स्व, ओम मह, ओम जन, ओम तप, ओम सत्यम. तो इससे आपके लंग्स भी खुलेंगे, साइनस प्रॉब्लम भी खत्म होगी, आपका अंदर से सारा जो है बीमारियां वो बाहर आएंगी. इस विचार से हमने ये किया. जब भी हम प्राणायाम करते हैं तो ये ध्यान में रखिए कि मन, बुद्धि और आत्मा, इन तीनों का मेल हमने करना है प्राणायाम के रास्ते. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद कपालभाति प्राणायाम. No deliberate inhalation, just exhale, exhale, exhale. I mean, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Inhalation will be passive. Inhalation will be passive, no deliberate inhalation. When you inhale, first once you inhale, only once, then exhale properly. When you exhale, your tummy will go in. This contraction of your abdominal muscles will be, and see the impact on your abdomen and the whole body. We'll do it for 5 minutes today. Let's do it. Kapalabhati. While doing pranayam, please close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. Kapalabhati pranayam stimulates your neurons. You get rid of asthma, tuberculosis, and get relief in respiratory disorders. By doing Kapalabhati, one increases one's intellectual capacity also. As you know, pranayam is the regulation of your breath, regulation of prana, regulation of air in your body. Diseases related to heart, diseases related to lungs, all are cured. And your HDLC, TSR, all are normal. Within 2 to 3 months, you get the results. By doing pranayam, you get not only physical health, but the mental and spiritual health also. Negativity is totally finished. I say negativity is totally destroyed from your body. You start thinking positively, you start living happy, and happiness is achieved, everything is achieved. When you are healthy, you would like to enjoy the life. So we have to enjoy the life by doing pranayam. When diseases are no more in your body, you can enjoy the life. And this is the best time for us. We are all at home. At this time, we can practice pranayam. We are not supposed to go out here, there, worried. No, nothing of the sort. We are all at peace, we must say. If we think positively, we are all at peace. Now, do it for 2 minutes more. By doing this Kapalabhati pranayam, you get mental peace. When you are mentally very normal, mentally peaceful, then what happens? You are not, you don't get any temptation. All temptations are away from you. You are not tempting by the worldly things. All the worldly temptations are deviated, and you feel yourself with the self. You are attached to the self. You think for the self. Relax for a moment. Now, one more pranayam for your lungs, sinus problems, ears, eyes, peace of mind. That is Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom, inhale from the left, exhale from the right, inhale from the right and exhale from the left. Thinking that my diseases are going out. When you inhale, first think that I'm not a body nor a soul, not a body nor a mind. Or when you exhale, think I'm a peaceful soul. When inhale, I'm not a body or mind. When exhale, I'm a peaceful soul. Then I inhale, I'm not a body or mind. Exhaling, I'm a peaceful soul. Let's start doing. At least 50 rounds will do. But when you are tired, you can relax for a moment. When you inhale, think your diseases are going out. Exhale, your diseases are going out. Inhaling, think that you are getting more healthy. Anything. Or you can do it with Gayatri mantra or any mantra you have in mind. Let's start. Put your thumb on the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Now inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Start doing. I'll speak for you. I'm neither a body nor mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul, not a body or mind. A peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. Go on doing. Relax. Whenever you feel that you are tired, you can relax for a moment, then start doing. And now we'll repeat this circle with Gayatri Mantra. I'll speak Gayatri Mantra and you divide it in 4 parts. Om Bhurvaswa inhale, Tat Savitur Varenyam exhale, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi inhale, Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat exhale. This one round. Om Bhurvaswa Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. This is one round. Om Bhurvaswa Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvaswa Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Whenever you start from Om, it means you have started with inhalation after one round. Now do it. When you do this with help of mantra, then there is a rhythm. You do it rhythm with the rhythm. With the rhythm you inhale, with the rhythm you exhale. So you are totally absorbed in your activity of doing Kapalabhati or Anulom Vilom. When you do with mantra, then you start having the same rhythm, inhalation, exhalation. Now relax for a moment. Whenever you do any pranayam, keep in mind that you have to keep your spine erect. Then you'll get the whole benefit because the oxygen goes from your body to the head properly. Next is Bahya Pranayam. Bahya Pranayam is you exhale. You exhale properly, and then when you exhale, that is Bahya Pranayam. You have not to inhale. This is the definition of Bahya Pranayam. Exhale and control yourself. Hold yourself. First, in this Bahya Pranayam, we will do Tribandha. Tribandha is Moola Bandha, Jalandhar Bandha, जो मूल बंध, उद्यान बंध and Jalandhar Bandh. In Mool Bandh, we'll squeeze our pelvic portion, pelvic plexus. In Udyana Bandh, our tummy will go in as far as you can push your tummy in toward your back. And third is let your chin touch the cavity, this your body here. And these three things should be together with a difference of seconds only. First Moola Bandha, then Udyana Bandha, then Jalandhar Bandha. And for 11 seconds, we'll hold that. After 11 seconds, we will first lift the chin, then tummy should come out, then relax yourself from the pelvic plexus. We'll do it thrice. Breathe out with the pressure. Lift your chin, let your tummy come out, and relax. If you feel some pain in your back, try to ignore it. It's not serious. But if you practice it, then you won't have the pain also. Once again. Inhale and then lift your chin. Let the tummy come out and relax your pelvic plexus. Once again, exhale with the pressure. Inhale, lift the chin, tummy coming out, pelvic flexion relaxed. This is one type of Bahya Pranayam. Another with Bahya Pranayam, what we do, Agnisara Kriya. Exhale first. With the pressure, exhale. And then activity of the tummy coming up and going in, out, in, out. Just see how I'll do it for you. relax. So you can do it. Try to do it once. All of you, please do it. Exhale and then do it. Relax. Relax. Now, next, we'll do Bhramari Pranayam. Bhramari is the humming bee. Make the sounds of the humming bee without opening the mouth. Close the door or shut the door of your ears with thumb. Then index finger on the forehead. Rest 3 fingers below, near the eye, and 1 little finger on the cheek. We'll start doing without opening the mouth. We'll make this sound. This sound. When you do this pranayam, Bhramari, what happens? You can't hear the voice from outside. So it becomes difficult to know what others are saying. So it's better we do it thrice only, 3 times, and then start relaxing. Would you like to do on chair or ground? Those who are on ground, let's sit on the chair if you are on the chair. Otherwise, you can do it on the ground also. Lift your right leg up. Hold it. Your knee should touch the chest. And your toe is toward the ground. Straighten your leg. Pull your toe toward your body. Pull your toe toward the body as much as you can. Feel the stress under the calf muscles and the knee. Up, down. Again. Lift the right leg up to your chest. Straighten the leg. Pull the toe toward your body. Feel the stress under the calf muscles. Back and down. Same with the other leg, left leg. Lift your leg. कर दे. Straighten your leg in front of you and toe pulling toward the body. More pulling. Back to the chest and down. Once again. 1, 2. Pull the toe toward yourself. Back and down. Now, hold it like this. With the toe we'll do. Toe. Bend the fingers of your toe. 1, 2, back. Push your fingers and bend down and pull back toward the self. 1, 2, pull back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now with the other leg. 1, bend the fingers, back, pull toward the self. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you can do this if you can hold yourself. Lean to the chair. Lean to the chair, back of the chair. Now with both the legs. With the toes, bend back. Now with the ankle. Make the circles with the ankle. Make the circles with the ankle. Then change the direction. Vice versa direction. Now with the left leg, make the circle with the ankle. Change the direction. These exercises are mainly for the joints because we start having arthritis. So to avoid those things, we do these exercises of knee joint, ankle joint. Sometimes we have pain in the feet also. So now you'll make another. Feet apart. Feet apart as much as you can. What you have to do, your knees should go apart. You push them backward this way and put the weight of your body on the outer part of the foot. Just see how outer part of the foot. I'll show you how. This, I can't show you, just outer part of your feet. This way. Press your knees and put the weight on your outer part of the feet. Then flat your foot. Again, outer part of the feet. This portion, this outer part. You will feel stress over here also and the feet. Put your weight on the feet. Flat your foot, come in the center. Now same thing, weight should be on the inner part of the foot. Inner part on the foot, and stress will be outer part of the thigh muscles. Thigh muscles are being activated. Relax, flat foot, come in the center. This you can practice. Now, can you see my feet?
Yes, yes.
Because I can't see, sun is coming from outside, so I can't see myself. So I thought it's better to ask you. Now,
Lower body is showing.
hold the chair and lift your body and try to stand on the toes. Stand on the toes as much, lift as much as you can. And put the weight on your toes. Exhale and slowly come down. Again, inhale and put your weight on the toes. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale. Lift yourself as much as you can. You will feel the stress on the calf muscles and the, yeah. Exhale and come down. Once again, inhale, lift your body upward. Exhale, come down. Now, same thing we'll do in other way. Lift your body on the toes. And now you have not to come down on the floor. Midway you have to stop and hold. Lift. Now, little bit down, but don't touch the ground. Relax and hold and relax. Inhale and upward. Exhale and midway. Inhale, upward. Exhale, midway. Inhale, upward. Exhale, midway. What did you find? Your legs are strengthened. Inhale, upward. Exhale totally downward. Now, the same thing with some, no, we'll do, instead of putting the weight on your toes, now we'll put the weight on heels, or you can say ankles. Lift the toes while inhaling. Inhale, lift the toes. Put your weight on the heels. Put the weight on the heels. Toes are upward. Heels are touching the ground. Feel the sensation there on your calf muscles and knee joint. By this, your muscles around the shin bone are stretched. Shin bone is impacted. Exhale and come down. Again, inhale, weight on the heels. Hold it for a few seconds. You can do it without holding the chair, but it's better to hold the chair so that you may not fall down. Exhale and come down. Once again, inhale, weight on the heel. Exhale, slowly come down. Now, march. March slowly. A bit fast. Moving your hands also. Slow down. Slow down. Keep marching. Relax. Now, you can sit on the chair. Sit on the chair, relax. Put your hands on your knees. There's a gap between the feet. When you inhale, you'll straighten or bring your hands above your head, and your hands will be touching the ears like this. I can show you, then I'll change the position. When sitting on the chair, when I say raise your hands, inhale and raise your hands. This. Or you can do this. This is sufficient. When down, touch the knees. And after touching the knees, you have to go down, touching the feet. That position will be like this. Inhale, hands upward, hands touching the ears, your arms touching the ears. When exhale, come down like this. Okay? Then inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. First we'll do this and then inhale up same way. Inhale up and right hand touching the right foot and left hand upward. The position of the left hand I show you. Position of the right hand you have seen. Now position of the left hand will be like this. and you have to see the hand upward. This is the Trikona asanas while sitting on the chair. The same thing we'll do vice versa. Stress will be on the waist, stress will be on the arm, stress will be on the neck. These exercises will do. So let's start doing. Sit on the chair. If you are not sitting on the chair, you can do it while standing also. While standing, you will do like this. This will be while standing, but all of us will do, whether on chair or standing. So let's start. Inhale, touch your right hand. With right hand, touch your right foot and look toward the left hand. Exhale and come in the center. Then again, inhale and touch the left foot. Exhale and come in the center. Again, inhale and now we'll be touching the right foot. Inhale and touch the right foot with the right hand and left arm upward, looking toward the left hand. Exhale and come in the center. Inhale, touching the left foot with the left hand and looking toward the right hand upward. Exhale and come in the center. These exercises are very good for your body joints, backbone, stomach. Now, you can swing your hands one side to another. Swing your hands from one side to another, tilting the waist. Tilting from the waist, swing your hands from one side to another. You can do it speedily also. While sitting also you can do this, but tilt from the waist. It's good for your waistline. Reduce the waistline, reduce your tummy and energize your arms, get strength in the arms. Now shrug your shoulders. While sitting on the chair or on ground, you can do this. Your hands to the shoulder line. Your fingers touching the shoulders. This. Make small circles with the elbows, small circles. Backward. Let your elbow touch the knee. Right elbow touching the right knee and left elbow upward. Exhale and come in the center. Inhale, touch your left elbow to the left knee and right elbow upward. Exhale and calm in the center. This is for your shoulders, for your spine, and for your waist. Once again, do it. Exhale, calm in the center. Inhale. Exhale and calm in the center. Once again, last. Exhale, calm in the center. Inhale. Exhale. Now, while sitting, we'll do straighten your hands at shoulder lines. We'll do little bit exercises of the wrist. Go on doing. Backward. Arms forward. Putting everything away from you with your hands. Now collect all those things. Collect inward. Take all these things upward. Your hands upward. Everything out. Now collect. Again here. Shrug your shoulders. From back to front. Front to back. Put your hand forward. Left hand forward. Other hand below the elbow. Bring your left hand toward the right side as much as you can and look over the shoulder to the back. Look over the shoulder to the back as much as you can and press your left arm with the right. Exhale and come in the center. Same with the other hand. Right hand, straight, left hand at the elbow. Bring the right hand toward the left side and your face over the right shoulder looking at the back. This is very good for the tricep muscles. Here, tricep muscles. Once again, we'll do. Relax. Right hand. Push, 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 push as much as you can. Face turning toward the right shoulder, looking at the back. Exhale and come in the normal position. It's really tiring. You feel pain over here, but that flexibility is required in our shoulders. To avoid the shoulder jam, it's better to do this exercise. And then now lift your right arm with the left hand, pull toward the left side. Pull toward the left side your elbow, like this. Pull, pull as much as you can. Relax. Same thing with the left arm. Pull the elbow of the left toward the right. Feel the stress on the upper arm, tricep muscle. Relax. Shrug your shoulders. Now you can shrug like this. Again, relax the whole body. While doing this, we relax the whole body. Feet on the ground, and you have to move from your waistline only. Relax. Now hold the chair. Now I can't see you whether this is working, but I can try to show you. We're doing a few exercises of the leg. Hold the chair. If you are on the right side of the chair, left leg on the ground and right is forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. You can hold the chair or you can do it without holding the chair. It's better to hold it. Don't take the risk. But not bending the leg. You are not supposed to bend from the knee. Leg should be straight. And try to keep your foot also straight. This is a good exercise for the hips. Hip joint and the hip. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. The same thing with the left leg. Left leg is tired because the weight was totally on the left leg. Now, weight will be on the right leg and we'll move the left leg. Go on doing. Relax. Now, come at the back of the chair. First we were doing like this. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Now we have to do it sideways. We'll do it on the right side first. Right side first. Weight will be on the left leg and lifting the right leg, but without bending the knee, straight. Lift as much as you can, as much as you can. Yeah, 2 centimeters more. Once again, lift up, 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 up as much as you can, up. Listen to your body. Once again. सांस फूलने लगी होगी, सांस फूल रही है क्या? चलिए करिए. The same thing with the left leg now. With the left leg, weight on the right. Lift your left leg up, 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 up. 2 centimeters more, up, up. Hold. Down. Once again. Lift your leg. Inhale and lift your leg. Whenever you expand the body, inhale. Whenever you come to the normal position, exhale. Exhale and come down. Must be feeling tired. Relax for a moment on the chair. Hips are tired. So relax like this. Roll on. Roll on lips. Roll on your hips. And relax. Let the breathing be normal. Again, stand. The same thing we'll do with the legs like this. Hold the chair. Lift the right leg forward, sideways, back, and come to the center. Up, up, side, back, without bending, come in the center. Once again, up, side, back, making the circle, come in the center. Same thing we'll repeat with the other leg. Lift the leg, up, up, side, back, come to the center, up, up, side, 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 back, 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 and come in the center. Once again, lift, side, back, and come into the center. You must be feeling tired. I know this thing because these exercises to sweaten. पसीना बहाने के लिए होती हैं ये exercises ताकि अंदर से आपकी थकावट बाहर निकले और आप चुस्त हो जाएं फिर से. Now relax. Roll on. This was the exercise for your hips. Now tilt your body from the, once again. Relax. Now, arm forward, and this. As if you trying to stop something, you'll say stop. Okay? Now, your hand downward. All 4 fingers and thumb downward. Put your right hand on the left and from your wrist, you will push it inside. Push from wrist with your hand. Arm should be straight. Arm should be straight. Feel the stress over the tricep muscle. Relax. Now, front side. Push it back. Clear? Stress on your tricep muscle. With the other hand, push it back, push it back. Relax. Front side, push it back. Very good exercise for the tricep muscles. We need to strengthen our muscles. Relax. Now, next for your joints of the hands, fingers. This. Do it. Do it for the fingers as if you are holding a ball. Arm straight. Hold it, hold it. Relax. Again, hold the ball. All joints are affected. Relax. Now, close the fist, thumb inward and fingers wrapping the thumb. Close, close. Open. Again. Now for the wrist, another exercise for the wrist. Backward. We were doing the exercise of the wrist, but the stress was here on the shoulders. So it's the whole arms joints are related to each other. If you are having pain here, then you start having here, then you start having here. When you start having pain from the fingers, then you have in the elbow, then in the shoulders. So to avoid all these things, we should do it regularly. These little warm-up exercises. Now, straighten your arms. Let the fingers touch the shoulders. Your elbows touching each other. Elbows hugging. Upward elbows. Making the circles, big circles. First you made small circles. Now we are making big circles. Up, back, front, up, back, front, up, back. Now from back to front will come. Front, this, 3 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Your hand up. You have to bend from the waist like this. I'll show you there on the chair if it's possible. Hand up. Distance in your legs. This exercise is for the back, stomach, arms, all. Again, with the other hand. Once again, right hand up, left touching the knee. While on the chair, you can do it. With the other leg. Now, both the hands forward. Both the hand forward. And then we'll push it back like this. When you push it back, what happens? Your shoulders will be straightened. Expand your chest and shoulders, both the things. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Once again, forward, back. Relax your shoulders. Now stand up for a minute. Stand and do the march. You have not to march forward, but march on your place. Now lift your knees and touch the knee with the hand. Left hand touching the right knee and right hand touching the left knee, like this. Good exercise for the knee, hips, back. Relax. Start marching, start marching. Don't totally relax. Total relaxation is not allowed. Go on doing. Now march with the speed. जब तक पसीना ना आ जाए, जोर जोर से मार्च करिए. क्योंकि यहाँ हम इकट्ठे हुए हैं अपने आप को हेल्दी करने के लिए. Slow down. Hold the chair. Hold the chair. Lift the left leg. Let your leg try to touch your heel to the hip. Your heel should touch your buttocks. If can't, listen to your body. If you can do this much, that's also good. But those who can, they should try. I say just try, not to do it. If your body doesn't allow you, don't do it. But lift your leg, bending your knee, and your knee should be with the other knee. Your bended knee should be touching the knee of the other leg. Can it be like this? I can show you. This way. This is touching the other knee. Same with the other leg. Your knee touching the other knee. And heel touching the buttocks. This we do while lying on the bed also. That we can do with both the legs together. Once again. Relax. मुझे टाइम का नहीं पता लग रहा आज, आप बता देना मुझे टाइम का। राजन जी, राजेंद्र कुमार जी, मुझे टाइम नहीं पता लग रहा, आप मुझे टाइम बता देना।
12:24 हो रहे हैं प्रेम जी।
अच्छा 12:24 हो रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब हमें थोड़ा रेस्ट करना चाहिए फिर, ठीक है ना
जी।
चलो, क्योंकि टाइम हो रहा है, अदरवाइज वी कुड डू सो मच। सो either you lie down on the floor on your mat, or you sit on the chair. You can sit on the chair or lie down on the floor or on your bed, wherever you are. With your back and arms, with your back and legs comfortably apart from your body. Lie down on your back with your arms and legs comfortably apart from your body. Arms slightly opened, palms facing upward. Close your eyes. If you are wearing specs, then keep them away. Feel yourself totally relaxed. Relax your shoulders. While sitting on the chair also, relax your shoulders. Have smile on your face. No sign of stress. Knees slightly bent. Eyes gently closed. Now we are preparing ourselves for the meditation. Meditation, you know, all of you, what is meditation? Meditation is about mental health and looking after the mind. Looking after the mind, it means taking care of your mind. Because a healthy mind is as important as your healthy body. So to keep the mind fit and strong, we give rest to the mind. As body needs rest, mind also needs rest. Try to give rest to the mind. As we strengthen our physical body, we need to strengthen our psychological self also. We need to strengthen our psychological health also. And that psychological health is strengthened by doing the activities of the mind, by learning new things, Keep learning new and new things of your taste. And by helping others, our psychological health is strengthened. So whatever help we can give, and all these things are happen when we have the purity of mind. So we have to make our mind pure. And pure mind needs peacefulness. First we strengthen our body, then we try to strengthen our mind. Now bring your thoughts at rest. Thought waves to cessation. Focus on one point of the body, either Jnana Chakra or your breathing, any point. You can focus on your breath going in, coming out, inhale, exhale, or you can focus on your Jnana Chakra. Cleaning your mind is equally important as cleaning the external body. We daily clean our body, and equally it's important to clean the mind also. And to practice mindfulness, try to give 100% of your efforts. Whatever happens, good or bad, let it go. Don't bother about that. Try to do. Be prepared for whatever will happen. Be mentally prepared for whatever happens in life. Relax your body completely. Clear your mind and activate mindfulness. Feel your mind is at peace now. Mind is in my control now. Chant Om. Om. Once again chant Om. Om. Observe the whole body with the eyes of mind. Try to cut yourself from the outward. Try to hold yourself little away from your belongings. Observe your body relaxing in a yoga nidra. We'll make the journey of observing from toe to head. Relax your toes. Relax your toes. Relax the whole feet, calf muscles. Relax your knees, knee joint, thigh muscles, thigh bone of both the legs, not of one, both the legs. Feel your both the legs from toe to shin bone, calf muscles, thigh muscles are relaxed. The whole weight of your body was lying on your hips. Feel that hips are also relaxed. Relax your feet, hips. Now bring your awareness to your abdomen. Your kidney, both the kidneys, spleen, intestines, liver, pancreas, stomach, all are relaxed and working in a normal way. Let's bring our journey upward toward the heart, blood circulation is normal. Lungs are working. Blood is circulating in a very normal way. Feel that I'm relaxing the whole body, which was under stress. Now at this time of stress scarcity, veins were also stressful, but now I have started feeling myself in the lap of immortal entity. My emotions are calm. No hazard at all. Feel totally relaxed. Hazards are totally gone away. Heart is relaxed, the whole body is relaxed. Let your lungs also be stress-free. Feel the respiratory system. Respiratory system is working in normal process. To check that, take deep breath in and now slowly breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing, your inhalation, exhalation. Feel that no disease is left. You are inhaling properly, exhaling properly without any stress. Energy is being taken from your arms. Energy is taking shape from your hands towards arms. Bring your journey from hands to the neck, Relax your neck, your throat. Bring your awareness to the working of your respiratory system. It's all good. Come to throat, jaws, cheeks, nose, eyes, eyebrows, ears, forehead. All are relaxed. The whole face is relaxed. Then why not to bring some smile on your face? When you are enjoying Yoga Nidra, that is the ultimate relaxation. Yoga Nidra is the only technique by which you can relax your whole body. Experience a deep level of relaxation with this meditation. But by this side, you have to remember, Yukta hara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu yukta swapna avabodhasya yogo bhavate dukkha. श्री कृष्ण ने गीता में ये कहा है, युक्त आहार विहारस्य, जिसका आहार और विहार, आहार खाना पीना, विहार घूमना फिरना, युक्त आहार विहारस्य युक्त चेष्टस्य कर्मसु, और जिसकी चेष्टाएं, जिसकी एफर्ट्स अपने काम में पूरी तरह से होती हैं। खाना पीना ठीक होता है, घूमना फिरना ठीक होता है, और जिसके काम में पूरी चेष्टा होती है, पूरी लगन से जो काम करता है। युक्त स्वप्न अवबोधस्य, और जो जिसका सोना उठना समय से होता है। स्वप्न अवबोधस्य, जिसका सोना भी समय से होता है, उठना भी समय से होता है। योगो भवति दुःखः, that person does not get any grievances, or that person does not get any calamity. He is totally away from all the worldly hazards, and he gets the fruit of yoga. सिर्फ प्राणायाम कर लेने से या दिन रात के एक्सरसाइजेस करने से नहीं होता, उसके साथ साथ थोड़ा सा ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि हमारा खाना पीना समय पे हो, और सोना उठना भी समय पे हो, और जो कार्य करें पूरी लग्नता से करें। तो ऐसे व्यक्ति को जिंदगी में कभी कोई दुख नहीं होता, और वो योग का पूरा आनंद पाता है। ये श्री कृष्ण ने गीता में कहा है, आप बेशक गीता के पन्ने खोल के देख लीजिएगा। चलिए, तो अब हम लास्ट में दोनों हाथों को रब करेंगे। रब योर हैंड्स, and in the warmth of your hands we'll open the eyes. Warmth of your hands, slightly open your hands. One thing more, you can squeeze your eyes also. That will be the good exercise for the eyes. And open the eyes. Namaste. सबका धन्यवाद। अब हम शांति पाठ करेंगे और फिर समाप्ति की ओर जाएंगे। Eyes closed. द्यौ शांति रंतरिक्षग्वं शांति पृथिवी शांतिरापः शांतिरोषधयः शांतिः वनस्पतयः शांतिर्विश्वे देवाः शांतिर्ब्रह्म शांति, सर्वं शांति, शांतिरेव शांतिः, सामा शांतिरेधि। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सबके लिए प्रार्थना करेंगे। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति। हाँ जी, सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने इतना अच्छा समय दिया और हमने एक दूसरे को देखा। एक दूसरे को देख के ये प्रसन्नता हुई कि सब तंदुरुस्त हैं, ठीक ठाक हैं, यहाँ पर पहुंच गए हैं। धन्यवाद। तो
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रेम जी।
अब हमारी, आपका धन्यवाद। अब हमारे हास्य की एक्सरसाइज रह ना जाए, उसको पूरे जोरों से करेंगे।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
पूरे जोरों से। और सब अपना अपना जो है ना माइक खोल लें, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लें ताकि हंसी की आवाज सुनाई दे, गूंजे।
एक दूसरे की हंसी की आवाज सुनाई।
हाँ, क्योंकि नहीं तो ना उनको उत्साह नहीं आता है, हमारे भाई को, राजन भाई को। हाँ, राजन भाई कराते हैं तो उनको किसी की आवाज नहीं आती तो वो उदास हो जाते। चलिए, यदि आप तालियां भी बजाइए साथ साथ और हंसिए, साथ साथ ताली बजाइए। राजन भाई को बुलाओ। सबसे ज्यादा ताली की आवाज। ये उंगलियों को भी साथ मिलाइए, उंगलियों को भी। जब तक राजन भाई सामने आते हैं उंगलियों को साथ मिला के ताली बजाते हैं। राजन भाई को स्पॉटलाइट करिए भाई। हाँ जी, 5 मिनट और, 5-7 मिनट और लगेंगे बाद में। हाँ जी, राजन भाई आ गए।
हाँ वो है,
आ गए तो अब आज जोर से हंसाना है सबको। जोर से हंसाना है आपने सबको।
आ गए, बाद में छा गए।
क्या
छा गए?
अभी पहले तैयारी करेंगे तो
पूरे जोर से। हाँ
वापस दफा
जोर से हंसाओ, जोर से।
लाफ्टर लस्सी पियेंगे। जो पंजाबी दोस्त है मेरे का भी, तो लस्सी पीने का बहुत पसंद करते हैं वो लोग। तो लाफ्टर लस्सी पियेंगे। हाथ ऐसा करो सब लोग, अपना दोनों हाथ ब्रॉड कीजिए, ऐसे खुले करिए। और अभी चालू करेंगे फर्स्ट राउंड। पहला गुट पूरा हुआ, अभी सेकंड गुट लेंगे।
लास्ट
अभी फाइनल घूट मारेंगे जोर में।
फाइनल घूट।
बहुत बड़ा घूट पिएंगे।
बस 1-2 मिनिट।
मिनल बधु फ्रीज માંથી કાઢ નીચે જા.
और ये लस्सी सबको रोज घर पे पीना है, ऐसा नहीं। कि बुधवार को ही पीना ऐसा नहीं है, रोज पीना है आपको।
रोज पीना है। ओके,
अपने
सुबह तो नहीं सिखाते अच्छे बच्चे।
चलो, अभी और कोई
एनीवे लाफ्टर लस्सी पियो, दूसरा मत पियो।
अभी कोई और
कि
सेजल है ना?
हाँ जी,
सेजल
हाँ, जय श्री कृष्णा।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री
प्रेम
कृष्ण।
जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप बहुत
नहीं,
अच्छा सिखाते हैं।
नहीं नहीं,
हाँ।
ये तो आपका बड़प्पन है, आप
बहुत
ऐसे
अच्छा
बोलते
सिखाते
हो।
हैं।
आपका
और
बड़प्पन है, आप ऐसा बोलते हो।
नहीं नहीं, बहुत अच्छा सिखाते हैं,
अच्छा
हम तो इतना
सिखाते
कर
हैं
भी
आप।
नहीं सकते।
बहुत अच्छा
Thank you,
रहा आज
बहुत
प्रेम जी,
अच्छा सिखा
बहुत
है।
बढ़िया।
थैंक यू सो
बहुत
मच।
अच्छा प्रेम जी,
रियली
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बहुत
Thank you जी।
धन्यवाद।
आपका
और
भी
बहुत
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद।
सबका।
थैंक यू। पास ही नहीं होता है कि हम 1.5 घंटे आपके साथ साथ कैसे कर लेते हैं।
हाँ, सही बात है,
असली बात ये साथ साथ हो जाता है, वैसे होता ही
सही
नहीं।
बात है।
हाँ,
याद
अकेला
आ
अकेला
जाती
नहीं
है।
होता है।
अकेला अकेला नहीं होता।
अकेले
थैंक
तो
यू प्रेम जी, थैंक यू प्रेम जी, थैंक यू
so much.
Thank you,
थैंक यू थैंक यू
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू।
Bye.
थैंक यू
बाय
थैंक यू आर के।
थैंक यू।
बाय बाय
आर के
बाय।
आर के थैंक यू।
राजेंद्र
Thank you,
कक्कड़
thank
का
you.
थैंक्स करते हैं हम तो बहुत ज्यादा, वही मिलाते हैं।
राजेंद्र का लेकिन
जितनी बार
आपका
मिलाएंगे
भी तो
उतनी बार मिलेंगे।
करना चाहिए ना, आपका भी तो
नहीं,
करना चाहिए
वो
ना।
तो सबका एक सा, क्योंकि हम सब इकट्ठे
नहीं
आते
नहीं,
हैं।
आपका भी
हाँ
करेंगे,
आपका
दोनों
भी
का।
साथ में होना चाहिए।
दोनों
ही
का।
प्रेम
बात
जी,
सुनो, इनको कहो एक दिन और बना दे, इस हफ्ते में 2 दिन हो जाएगा ना, ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा।
प्रेम जी इस समय आप हमारे